Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the undo button not showing in your notes on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm on that example note or page here on Microsoft OneNote, and here in the top left corner there should be that arrow icon, arrow to the left icon with the undo edit feature function. As you can see, it's not visible. If that's the case also for you guys, it may be that you may have accidentally disabled it. I did that for demonstration purposes, so let me show you how to re-enable it. What you need to do is click into that small drop-down menu here to customize your quick access toolbar and make sure that the undo button here will be added back to that list with the check mark next to it. And there you go. As you can see now, if I, for instance, move that table here on the canvas and click into undo, it will be, or the most recent edit will be undone. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.